Hi, and welcome to part 2 of my fall 2019 series. Today we are deep cleaning and decorating the guest bathroom. If you are in need of fall decor ideas and or cleaning motivation, then keep on watching.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
I'm first starting off cleaning the bathroom entirely, getting a good, nice deep clean of the bathtub, the toilet, and the countertops. I'm using my Method bathroom antibacterial spray. It says on the bottle to, if you want to disinfect or use the antibacterial properties to really get it sanitized, you really just liberally spray over the surface that you're trying to sanitize and let it sit for 10 minutes before wiping it up. So that's what I did. I sprayed down the counters, the bathtub, and then I went ahead and cleaned the toilet while it was sitting, disinfecting. And I used my Clorox wand, which I'm obsessed with. I don't know why I didn't switch to it sooner. It just feels so much more sanitary and it really suds up really well. You just feel like it's so much cleaner. And then I'll go ahead and use the Lysol disinfecting wipes. I usually pick up Clorox wipes, but the Lysol was on sale. Why not? Does the same thing, smells the same. It's basically the same thing. But then I'll go ahead and finish up on the counter and in the bathtub. For the bathtub, I just got a washcloth and wet it, and that is it. This is my son's bathroom, and he doesn't really dirty the bathtub that often. Bath night is about every other night, and we don't use this shower or anything, so there's really not a ton of buildup, and I'm pretty good about wiping it out before I start the bath and most of the time after as well, so it doesn't get terrible. A really good way to do like a quick clean prior to the bath is to just take the baby soap and a washcloth and that really helps just keep it clean, and all you have to do is just maintain and then sanitize or disinfect once in a while, and that is really working well for us. So I totally recommend. How do you guys clean your kids' bathtub? Let me know below. Now that the countertops have set, I now take a microfiber cloth and go ahead and wipe it up until it is dry. I have noticed with the Method spray, it does take a lot for it to really dry down, I guess. So what I did is I used one side, the microfiber side, to really just like clean. And then I flipped it over to dry everything down and make sure there's no streaks. It actually worked really good. I also did use it on the mirrors and there are no streaks. So feel free to try that out and see if that works for you as well. But I was shocked. I thought, no way is, a bathroom just countertop cleaner going to work well on mirrors. But surprisingly enough, it did. So just try what you can, see what works for you. Eliminating steps is huge. We are so busy as moms. We don't have a lot of time to dilly-dally with a bunch of different products. So try that out. I was really stoked. The struggle was real with these towels. I've already cut out so much of my struggle for this video to save you the frustration along with me, but I'm just taking this lamb's ear pick that I got from Walmart. It came in a pack of 2. I still don't know what I'm going to do with the other one. Probably put it in my bedroom or something. I will figure it out because I love the lamb's ears. And then I have a ton of the little tiny glass pumpkins from the Target Dollar Spot last year and the Dollar Tree this year. And I have several different ways that, would really work for this. But I hope you like how I come up with it at the end. So bear with me here. This basket gave me so much trouble, but watching this back now, really every way that I had tried, I actually liked, and I might actually change it again. But I do really like how it turned out now. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like the blue pumpkin by the basket or on the other end? Also over here, I just had some florals left over from previous years, and so I thought that would kind of spruce up this little box here on top of the toilet. This is just a little box that I've had for several years now, and I really am a big fan of using what you have. You don't have to spend a ton of money to get into the holiday spirit. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know your thoughts and how you are decorating your bathroom. I never used to actually decorate my bathroom for the holidays, so this is a first for me, and it's just so much fun. It really gets you in the mood for the holidays and makes it a lot more enjoyable and a little bit less stressful, if that's even possible. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my clean and decorate with me in the bathroom. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye.